Okay, scholars, it's me again. Now, for social studies today, Friday, I want you to go to Flipgrid, and I like for you to go ahead and click on, when you get to the Stonehenge, a riddle and a giant stone, I want you to click this little butterfly that says read on MSN Kids. If you click on that, it'll take you to an amazing article with pictures and details about Stonehenge. Okay? Now, then you can exit out of that. If you don't want to read it yourself, a beauty of Flipgrid is that it reads it to you. So if you click on the little voice here, you can click on that and then see this play button? It should read it to you.
In a broad grassland in southern England stands one of the oldest and most mysterious
There it is. The beauty of that is you can also change the language here. Your reading preferences. And I'll be doing that for other articles. For the sake of time, that's what I wanted to share with you today. Then once you do read it, click on it and read it or have it read to you, you can then respond to this question. In a broad grassland in southern England stands one of the oldest and most mysterious monuments in the world, a huge stone circle known as Stonehenge. Early people began building Stonehenge at about 5,000 years ago, adding to it and changing it over time. Now, you're gonna give me a quick response by just telling me why and how was this possible that the people began building this? Why did they do it? And why did they build Stonehenge? And how did they do it? Why did they do this? And how did they build it? So then once you can answer those two questions, you're going to come here and you're going to record your response. You're going to go to the video. See, I'm videotaping myself. And you're going to say, you're going to tell me how and why did the people build Stonehenge and how they did that. And then you're going to pause it and then proceed on to the next whatnot, okay? So that's it. That's all I wanted to show you. You don't have to write about it, not give me a summary. I want you to talk about it, have a discussion. And then when you see your friends give you a response, I like for you to use that feature in responding back. Give them some feedback, some oral feedback. Okay, and the way you can go back to the class is right here. Now this week, we have English videos to look at. Next week, it'll be in Spanish. We're gonna alternate. So I only have a few people who actually logged on to the area and perimeter, which is actually chapter 11 in the Go Math book. Check that out. I'll be discussing this video in our class meeting on Monday. Okay, have fun.